Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix overheating with a loud fan on MacBook and Mac OS. So first of all, we should know what may cause this problem, and this problem is generally caused by high CPU usage from demanding apps. Also, it may be caused from too many tabs opened on Google Chrome or whatever internet browser you are using, from software bugs also, or some outdated like Mac OS like versions, and sometimes from poor ventilation. It may be also from high room temperature and low available like storage or malware or runaway process. And let's start how we can fix that. So the first thing that we can do is to close resource intensive apps, and to do that we should go to apps and look for activity monitor, open it, and after that in the top of the screen we click on CPU, and as you can see here it will give you all the applications working actually on your Mac and how much percentage they are using from your CPU. So if you find anything open here and you are not using it, you have just to go, for example, I will do it with Google Chrome, select it, double click or double click on it. Let me go back to Chrome, double click, and here if you want to close it you have to click on quit, and after that click on quit or force quit. But you should know that in that case you should not close any application or any software that you are actually working with it, because no, like all the modification that you did will not be saved. So before closing any application, please save your work. So for me, I will not close anything. I will click on cancel. So after that, there is another thing that you can do is just to restart your Mac, because sometimes just restarting the Mac will make like the Mac come back to work normally, and to restart it you have just to click on the Apple icon on the top left of the screen. After that, go and click on restart and it will restart. Another thing is like sometimes you have to update the Mac OS version that you are using, because outdated Mac versions sometimes may cause some problems. And to update it, you have to go click on the Apple icon and go to System Settings. And after that, go to Software Update, and it will check directly here if there is some updates that will be installed. It will be like check and tell you if you have to install anything. Another thing that we can do also is to improve the airflow. So if you are using like your MacBook, please try to use it on a hard flat surface, because using it on a pillow or a bed, or also some people use it on a blanket, it will block the vents and it will block the air from entering to the MacBook, and that may cause the overheat of your MacBook. Another thing that we can do is just to reduce the tabs. So for example, if you are using Google Chrome, opening too much tabs may cause like your computer to be slow and for the ventilation to start working. So you have just to close like for example, this like tab is open, and like you have just to click and like close it. Just keep the necessary like tabs open. Another thing that we should or we can do is to disable unnecessary startup apps. And the startup apps, they are the apps that open with your MacBook, and to know them you have to go to System Settings. After that you have like to go to General here, and go to the login items and extensions. And as you can see here, when my computer, or sorry, my Mac open, those items, they are opening directly at login. So for example, I don't need Steam to open when the MacBook is open. So I have just to click on it and click on the minus, and it will directly eliminate Steam from opening directly with my MacBook. And here you should know also what apps are working on the background even when they are closed. So for example, I have Steam, like Apple Podcast, NordVPN, so I have to, like, I don't want it to work. Google Updater, Google Acrobat Reader, so I will close the podcast. And also Steam, I don't want it to work on the background, and this will make your Mac a little bit like faster. You have to check also for the storage of your Mac and try to always keep like some storage available, so when you install apps or something like that, like you will not be running out of space. And also you have to keep always 10 to 20% from the total storage of your Mac available, so you will not have any problems. So to know that, you have to go to About This Mac, and after that click More Info, and after that you can, as you can see, like we have the storage here. Go to Storage Settings, and you will see here how many free storage you have. For example, for me, I have 288 gigabyte available, so it's quite good. I have like good storage. Also, it's totally normal for your MacBook to be hot if the actual temperature of the room is so hot. And also the MacBooks and iPhones, and normally any device, any phone, it will be working slower when you are working with them in a hot like atmosphere, in a hot room or something like that. And the last thing, you can just scan if you have some malwares on your MacBook. It's not so common, but sometimes it happens, so you have to install your antivirus. I don't know, everyone like prefer like different types of antiviruses. You have to install the antivirus and scan for malwares. And I'm pretty sure by looking for all those solutions and trying to apply those solutions, I'm pretty sure that your MacBook will be running like smoothly, and it will be also a little bit fast. I hope that you like this video. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and until the next video, goodbye.